Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fans Gaming. This is April 2024 Patreon Part 4. I'll be looking at D&D prints, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please leave a like and a share. Check out our Patreon Discord down the bottom as well. The links that we'll be looking at will be down in the description for you guys in the bottom for you guys as well. So we'll be looking at Jan H. This is another figure. This is a May one. Let's see if we can find what's going to be up for April. April release. There you go. Mirage and Evil Lyn. So we got Evil Lyn and Madame Mirage as well. Evil Lyn. So that'll be for this month. Next month will be these two. Yuka Pala. Another figure one as well. So we got April, we got Miko Hatsune and Lo Foitia. So this is fighting Miku. Not even done yet. And yeah, I'm not going to go all the way up because I don't want to get hit by YouTube. YouTube's probably going to hit me. Blue Sky Minis. If you're looking for Warhammer 40k for Orcs, this is probably the best place to go get it at. These are your welcome packs for it, for your boys. And I don't have anything else for April right now. And the last month we got this, the Orc Octopus. So hopefully pretty soon when it comes out, you guys can check it out for what's going to be for April. Zon Studio. This is another figure as well. I'm guessing we got Khalifa Allah for from Dragon Ball Super. It's gonna be your figure. And I think there's going to be one more as well. Usually one more after. I think that's one he's working on right now. Berserk Studio. They do DC ones. The only problem I have is I have to go to use their Facebook site to see what there's coming up, but they have nothing for April right now. But I'll put a link down for you guys so you go check them out as well. Maya Studio. Let's see here. We don't have anything for April yet. It's March. March votes. So, let's see, download rules. They do figures, anime figures, as you can see. You can go check them out when you have a chance. Usually, they should be pretty good at coming stuff out right now, but looks like not. We got DM Stash. We got D&D figure Crucible of the Chosen. So it looks like a Celestial celebrating 3 years. DM Stash print, paint, and play. So we got a whole bunch of stuff that we'll be looking at. 70% off the entire store. So if you're interested in getting a whole bunch of stuff, 70% off, go for it. And we got some bonus models, campaign, battle mats, and stats and stuff like that. So we got some Ranger, Paladin, Blood for the Gods, a Gladiator. We got some terrain pieces for gladiatorial things. Redemption, Elven Hope. So we have a lot of stuff. For gladiator, we're doing gladiatorial stuff as well. Chaos Sorcerer. These look like elementals. Mono Drake. That'll be colored blue. There's another name for it on 3.5 Monster Manual. I forgot which number it was. Artificers, Chain Devil. These are pretty cool looking Chain Devils. A Mother of the Fae, Gildan's Will, Swordmaster of the South, 3-year anniversary statue, Punish Fae Lord, Fortunate. So yeah, a lot of stuff for it. Intermediate God miniatures. This is for Warhammer stuff. Let's see what we got. We got these looks like, does not really look like corn. I think this mostly resembles corn, I'll say. But yeah, I think that's for the other army that's probably gonna beat another Chaos God. I know this coming out. I forgot his damn name. Let's see here. Yes, this was March. This was the sound one for Slanesh. But I think this one's gonna be more towards corn. I would say. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Doesn't look like very good models though. Hubris Studio. We got this one for their collab, and I didn't think there was gonna be one more afterwards for it, but we'll see. There's a figure. Man, I love figures. So we have Yuffie from Borderlands to a whole bunch of other stuff as well. There's an anime figure. Here we go. Lady Death, Vampiria, and Draculina, Jubilee, Karlash, Yuffie, Murder Silverbot, whole bunch of stuff. Tiny Tina, Lilith, stuff like that. Okay, now White Wolf Tavern. Looks like we got a lot of monsters and stuff that we're going to be looking through. So we have a superintendent of a demon, demoness, Medusa. Be kind of cool having like a monster school or something like that. So we have a gnome, Externia Stilson. We have a monster supervisor. I think that's a mimic couch, isn't it? We have some Cobalt manager set. It's actually pretty cool looking Cobalt, to tell you the truth. Mano Rampants. They look like ice devils. I think these are used for ants as well. We got, forgot, these looks like halflings, but I don't know what you really call them. And we got cleaning crew set. This is probably cool if you have like a mansion or a castle and like it's like a school for monsters and stuff like that. I think that'd be pretty cool. Flesh of Gods. This is going to be like Elden Ring, Dark Souls style D&D figures as well. Faith and Set, heroes and NPCs that you guys see. So for High Preacher's Order of the Faithful and Saints. We got the huge enemies. We got a Scorpion Raven, Sanctum Dragon, and a Cursed Bunny. And that bunny looks really cursed. Large enemies, Necrotic Elemental, I call it Bone Golems, Dying Deities, the Crusher, that we can use for, Dark Souls and Elden Ring. And this one too, the Pentiment. And your medium enemies as well. For it, I'm not going to go through a whole bunch, I have a lot. And you got your Diorama one as well. And your Bust. And your throwbacks. STL miniatures for April release. I think we got another orphan thing to go with. Yeah, looks like some kind of berserker or a barbarian fighter. And bats. And looks like some kind of mining camp area as well. See, this is a dwarf camp, orphan set, blood set, stuff like that. 3D Manji. We have pre-render of a mirror the succubus. Let's see, merchant poll, open poll. Trying to see what's for it. We got Magi Baiser. I haven't seen this anime yet for it, and there should be one more. So go check them out. We'll do last but not least, Mad Figures. This was February's. This will be this month's. We got Harley Quinn and Furion, a bonus. Oh, this is for February. This is for March. So we have Pokemon and Cloud. So we've already seen some of these already. That's March. We don't have April yet. Never mind. Uh, check them out when you guys have a chance, if anything pops up for them. But anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord down below. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Bye.